Hey, what's up guys? In today's video guys, I just took delivery of the all new to me 2019 Volkswagen Mark 7 Golf 1.4 TSI 8-speed automatic comfort line. This car obviously was used. So guys, the car therefore is about 1.5 years old. So the first thing I changed so far was actually the license plate holder on the rear end, because it came with the dealership one, which was Brimell Toyota. I had this Volkswagen one from the previous car that I had, the Mark IV Golf as well, silver color as well. This color here is the tungsten silver. So I'm here guys now to change out my cabin air filter. I did call around and try to get that charcoal carbon activated one, but they didn't have it at my local parts store. So you had to order it online, and I didn't want to wait a week or two in order to get it online. So therefore, I got the only filter they actually did have in stock, which was just a regular basic cabin air filter. You guys see the part number on here. It says 5Q0819-644A by Mann. So I'll go ahead now guys, open it up for you. So guys, here it is opened up. Comes with a manual. Okay. Wow, that's very nice with detailed instructions. It's gonna come in handy, definitely. All right, put it off to the side. Then the actual filter itself. Okay, here's the good side. So basically guys, you install like this with the arrows facing down into the car. Okay, so let's go ahead now and tear into the car, open the glove box compartment out and install it. All right, so put the filter off to the side there. We're going to now first open the glove box. See these tabs here, there's one here. See, you pull it towards you. Okay, another one here. You also pull it this way. So I'll go ahead now and do that. So before actually doing that guys, I took everything out of the actual glove box off to my driver's seat here. And then I pulled those two buttons this way and pulled this glove compartment door out. You can see here, these thingies here are holding it up. There's one on each side. And there's these tabs. You just gotta pull it this way somehow. And it pulls it up. There's one, there's the second one. And then guys, in behind here is the actual cabin air filter cover. So in order not to actually go ahead and open this up, I believe you manipulate these clips down. There's 3 of them. Alright, so I did that. I just pushed the extra clip on the actual part down. All 3 of them, one by one. So this one first, that one second, that one third. And the cover just came off, and then you just pick it up like this. Okay. Put it off to the side. Wonderful. And then behind that cover is the actual cabin air filter. So you just physically pull it out by hand. Mine looks here very dirty. There you are. Comes out. Notice how it says arrow down. Keep that in mind when you're reinstalling the new one. So there it is guys, now on the floor. You can see it's very black, very dirty. There's also some leaves in there as well. Let's go back in the hole here. Make sure there's no debris in there or anything. Clean it out. I'll double check it to make sure everything's clean. Alright guys, I'm now ready to install it. So we've got the new one here. I'm going to put it back in the cabin air filter housing. And somehow when you maneuver it in there, it'll go in. And go in. Well, also double check to make sure your arrows are correct. Mine say down. You can see the airflow down, okay. Yep. And now grab your cover, which I put here on the driver's side. Maybe, you know, clean it up a bit as well. Alright, so I have a cover here. You see these spikes? It's kind of arrow type spike thingies. They install like this, down. So it's these tabs. And these clips up here installed upwards. Okay? So first you want to put the actual bottom tabs in the actual cabin air filter housing. So line them up. Put them back in there. Okay? And then you push it back in. That's 1 in, 2 in, 3 in. it's in. Double check to make sure it's actually secured without actually opening it up again. So basically by the side here, in between the clips, make sure it's not coming back out. And the bottoms are in. Wonderful, guys. So that's it. You're basically now all done the job. And to put this glove box door back up, you just push hard. There you go. Next time you open it, see? Doesn't go back down. Only goes where it's supposed to go. Wonderful, guys. Now I just put everything back in the actual glove box itself. See? Got a pad of paper here in case you get into an accident. You can write down the license plate number, driver license number, address, phone number. I've got my contract, bill of sale and whatnot. And then up here, there's apparently a slot here for your actual owner's manual. Your car owner's manual. Leaving you extra space in your actual glove box to put stuff you actually need, like gloves and whatnot. Okay. And it just closes on you. Wonderful. However, there's no actual lock for it, unfortunately. So that's okay. So guys, a job well done. The car very so much needed for it to be changed. You could see the filter looks absolutely horrendous and very nightmarishly. I'm so happy I changed it out. You have no idea. Okay. The new part was actually affordable. I paid about $14 Canadian for it, plus sales tax. So this then effectively is a video. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.